This is 33 pounds of playing cards. There's roughly 100 decks here and roughly $2,500 worth. I'm about to cry tears of joy, but let's unbox roughly 100 decks of playing cards. I still can't believe I'm saying that. Okay, you know there's a freaking good problem to have when you grunt picking up a box of playing cards. Chris Ramsey tries to open puzzle boxes. I want to see if he could open this. Goodness gracious. Alrighty, that is. Oh my gosh. Haha! This is wild. Alrighty. Starting off first, we have Black Rose's Emerging playing cards. These are gorgeous. And are these all in freaking seals? Okay, this is in a deck sleeve, so that's also pretty fun that I actually got that as well. Super stinking fun. These, oh my word, I love these. Okay, Playa cards. These were by Doc's Playing Card Company. I got a deck of these because of his recommendation by a review that he did probably something like 3-4 years ago, and I have not been able to find them since, and I literally off the top see 2 of them. This is every year when I do like my top 5 handling decks, this deck is in that top 5 every year, so that is stupid exciting. Alrighty, I don't even know what this one is. Goodness gracious, that is freaking sick. I mean, this time literally, but oh my word, it's like an infection deck. That is wild. Here's another one. We have the Hypnotic deck. Oh my word. Have you seen people freaking fan this deck? That's basically the back design. Looks kind of like that. This deck, when being fanned and doing cardistry, absolutely beautiful. And that one's got a deck sleeve on it too. Another deck sleeve. And this one is, oh, this is those time cards. What is it? Goodness gracious, what is this deck called? 11th Hour. By Bill Davis and Emily Slights. This one I saw all over Instagram for a hot minute. Just hadn't had the time to pick them up yet, but now I don't have to. Lit playing cards. This is my first deck of them. Oh, there's 2 of them. 2 decks of Lit playing cards, so that'll be stupid fun. Next we have another sleeve with another deck of Lit playing cards, but this is like a V2. I haven't even seen those. Those are sick. I'm excited to see what the difference is between the 2. Okay, we have more bubble wrap around this one individually. You know what, we're going to come back to this. Anything else that's like this crazy, we're going to come back to it. You're going to have to wait till later. Haha. Oh, another Black Roses deck. This is the Altroza playing cards. This is the pink edition. Those are gorgeous. This has been so fun. We are barely even started. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. So we have 3 of the original red Nox, which I have a lot of Nox decks, but I somehow don't have a single one of the original Nox. So that's super fun. Now I have 3 of them. Can we fit all that on there? Yeah, that's not good. You know what, let's just do it this way. I'm not chancing it. Not worth it. What we got here? Deck of cards by Doc Playing Cards. I didn't even know this was a thing. It literally just says deck of cards. What on earth is the design going to be on that? That's going to be exciting. We have Superior brand playing cards. That's my first deck of them as well. Literally, out of all of this so far, I have this deck, which I just got like a couple of, not even a week ago. Got this about 7 days ago. I've had these for 4 years, and everything else I don't even have. And I have like over 300 decks of cards. This is so fun. We got Roasters by OPC. I have a number of their decks, but I did not have Roasters. And the fact that all of these are in stinking deck sleeves is just mind-boggling to me. Let me back this up a bit. These reals. We're never ever going to have enough room. We're rolling with it. We have the Illusionist. What is this? Some Illusionist deck. Stupid cool. I've seen this on Rare Playing Cards. Stupid cool looking deck. Excited to review all these, honestly. Honestly, speaking of that, any of the decks that are on here that I can find links to, I'll put all of them in the description after I edit the video and stuff. Yeah, baby. I have this one. I've got a few of these. Paradigm Playing Cards by Derek Grimes, the guy who literally did all this. So, seriously, if you want to pick up a deck to support the guy who's just making this video possible, pick up a deck of these. They're stupid sick. I did a review on them. Stinking fun. Alright, we have 2 of the blue ribbon deck. What? We have a blue seal and a red seal. That is wild. Can't wait to see the difference between that. Like, what's the difference? We have a blue seal and a red seal. Okay. We have the Anyone Worldwide. We have the red checkers, which I don't have any of those either. How do I not have any of these decks? This is unbelievable. The Jack, Ace, Queen, King Sellers. It's the purple edition. Absolutely beautiful. Can I fit any there? No, I can't. No way. Oh, there's another one. This one, it's like, those are purple, these are black. I have a purple and a black one. We have Copag 310. This is like a cardistry deck by Copag 310. That's gonna be fun. I've seen people use those before. Black regalias. So I have the white regalias. Super cool. Did not have those. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Madison, baby. Anything by Daniel Madison, I'm already freaking in. And I believe, yeah, there's freaking 3 of them. There's 3 of those puppies. Daniel Madison makes stupidly good cards. It's unreal. A couple of Copag 310 decks, just like the regulars. Somehow I have tons of bikes and I somehow never actually got a single deck of those. So that's awesome. Gotta get into another deck of players that's legit. Yeah, let's go back to the front. You know you have a good problem when you can't figure out where to put them all. The orange deck of bikes. I know that I have the yellow edition. Like I've got a few of them, but I don't have orange. Yellow had a couple of fun gaff cards, so I wonder if orange will as well. Sharks playing cards. Those are sweet. I've seen the tuck box before. I've never actually seen the back design, so that'll be fun. 3 different versions of what look like the same thing. Okay, so now I'm confused, because like, they're all butterfly playing cards, right? But this side, you have one with a white butterfly. You have one with a gray butterfly. Well, it's like a silver. And then you have one with a gold butterfly. So that's, I'm excited to see what on earth that even means. Galactic Paradise. We've got a number of his decks. It's not this one specifically. Oh, what are these? Aloha? It's like a pink, like palm tree deck. That's gonna be fun. Oh yeah, I've got a couple of decks of remedies. There's another 2. Daniel Snyder's legit. So another, of course, Daniel Madison. And somehow, I have never owned a Jet Setter deck. So now not only do I have the red ones, but I also now have the silver and the orange and the, what is this, like a teal? Don't ask me about colors, maybe a turquoise. And we have the dark green and black. Oh my gosh. And blue. Round 2. All right, let me back all of these up so you guys can actually see the next cards that come in. This is where we're at after freaking 1 box. All right, now let's get rid of more of this. And also, I haven't seen a single ding on any of this. Another Copag 310 deck. I wonder if it's the same as the others. I don't know enough about them. Blue LTD playing cards. Don't have those either. This is insane. It's like a question mark deck? I don't even know what that is. If somebody knows what that is, I was thinking, let me know in the comments. Another deck of playing cards. Frick, yeah. Another deck of lit playing cards. Alright, now we have my first deck of juice joint playing cards. I know a lot of people really like them. Black roses. It's just a black roses. I wonder if there's gonna be a difference between all of the black roses decks. Here's another black roses deck. This is like a white and gold. Those are gonna be super cool. Here we have the black and gold Cherry Casino playing cards. I have like 4 different decks of cherries and do not have those, so that'll be fun. So we have 2 decks of Orbit V5 playing cards. This is, what is this, my 3rd favorite deck, 4th? I don't remember what it was last year when I did my top 100 decks, but now I do a top 100 decks every November. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I might have to, goodness gracious, this is gonna be a long time trying to decide everything. We got some Madison Rounders, black ones. Don't have any of those, so that's gonna be great. And we have, what are these? The Hustlers playing cards. That's gonna be fun. Never even heard of them. Let's see, we got 2 decks of red cherries. I used to have a deck of cherries. I mean, I still do, but that was when I first got into playing cards, and they got all messed up. So now I'm excited to be able to have some and keep them nice. We have SoCal playing cards. Don't have any of them. Some Dan and Dave's. Let's go. Get them smoke and mirrors. Dan and Dave Anyone collab. Royal Reserve Edition. What are these? These look stinking luxurious. These are stinking, like, I'm gonna talk about luxury. I've never even seen those playing cards before, but they look great. Let's see, Republic playing cards. Red Velvet, oh! There's a Red Velvet edition playing cards. Red velvet cake is my favorite thing on the freaking earth. I'm like second to Jesus. Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, and then red velvet cake. Now there's clearly a gap there, but like that, oh, I'm excited about that. Then you have the Los Angeles edition, and we have the Artists edition. So 3 of those. We got another Virtuoso P1 deck, have a couple of those. Super Knox, the V1, don't have any of them. And Super Knox V2, so we have the Batman and Superman now. Yeah, we got the Fox playing cards by ECAT. I've been looking forward to those for a while. And a second one of them. Now we have Keepers. I don't have any decks of Keepers. And now I'm gonna be keeping 2 more. So we have 2 of the red ones. Pink Boar playing cards. We have some tally-hos. Oddly enough, I don't have any tally-hos either. I'm like, I have 300 decks of cards that are always like stupid nice and no tally-hos. I think I have the Cards Recon 2018 tally-hos, but I don't know if that counts as like standard tally-hos. We have the Exposure Aperture. What is this? It's like a camera deck. Focus playing cards. Super cool. Like, I've loved getting into photography and stuff recently, so like color grading. You'll see, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I've been experimenting with that a lot lately. Oh, these are the gold artisans. I have the black and the white. I do not have the gold. That's super fun. We have, what in the world? Dealer's Grip and Dan and Dave collab. Smoke and Mirrors deck. That is super cool tuck case. It's like literally a cutout. That's wild. Then we have the Black Cherries, which I don't have any of. Not 1, 2, 3, 4 decks of them. Then we have Orbit V7, definitely have one of them, but now I've got 3. We have the V8 Parallels, which I do not have, and I do have a deck of these. All the ones that are, these 2 are both marked, which is really fun. Did a marking system reveal on that. And the Christmas edition, which I do not have. Another deck of tally-hos. Do I put this on the left? Sure. And this time, Orbit V6, another V6. Now let me show you those other cards that I was talking about before that I wanted to save to the end. Let's go with this first. So this, I opened up the Altroza playing cards a little while ago, and this is the collector's box for those. So there's what, 6 decks in here, I'm assuming? 4 decks? Whoa, goodness gracious. Absolutely wild. Well, I'll be doing it in about, whoa, what is this? What in the world? I knew there was going to be decks of cards in here. I didn't, what is that? What is that? I gotta put these back in here first. Goodness gracious, Myers. Alrighty. What in the... Okay, well that is currently, like, actually sealed, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do an unboxing of these playing cards, and I'm gonna open it during that video. Because if I keep on going, I will be here for an hour and a half. Goodness gracious, this is insane. Got a couple more. Let's just set this on top, because that's stupid fun. Oh, that's signed! No freaking way. I have the, oh, let me just show you. I actually got this one from the Madison Snyder collab, the MXS Casino playing card. So I actually got this, which is like kind of the same thing, but this time got it for a new one. So that's super fun. All right, so eeny, meeny, miny. Let's go this one. All right, so these look like, if I'm not mistaken, in a super nice carrot case, the red Madison Rounders. Like, I don't know if these are like way more valuable or something. Is there something like different about this that I don't know about on like why these are different from the rest of them? But if they're like that and they're like $100, I've been told, then there's clearly something different about them. I'll have to check that. I'll have to do some research. I'm gonna have to do some research on a lot of these cards. Now we got another one. This is a deck of peelers. So is this, oh my word, is this the V1s? I think this is it. That is the peeler V1s, I think. No freaking way. Does anybody know how to tell if these are the V1s or not? I need to know. That is absolutely wild. How the frick am I supposed to know? By the way, I think that's the V1s. That is a lot of playing cards. Make sure to let me know which one of these decks of cards you actually want to see reviewed first, and which ones of these decks of cards that you don't think I should open ever. Now, more than likely, I'm probably going to open most of them because I'm just me and I don't really see a point in having cards if you're not going to open them and use them. But, goodness gracious, it's going to be hard with a couple of these decks, both to open them and not to open them. And if you could win one for yourself, which one would it be? Because I might actually end up giving one away. But if you want to be here for all of that, both the reviews and the giveaways and all this other craziness, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified when all of this craziness goes on and when more craziness like this happens as well. Plus, hopefully in not too long, you'll be getting a video from me on the fact that I'm now going to have my own playing cards. All of the designs are actually done. Literally, all of the designs. Tuck box, all the faces, back design, everything. So literally all we have to do is figure out with USB-C a couple of things, and then it's hitting Kickstarter as soon as we figure that out and get like the prototype and stuff. So we are really not far out from having our own deck of playing cards. Descendants playing cards are on their way, and if you'd like to see any early access stuff, you can actually see all of the designs right now. So all you have to do is click the join button down below next to the subscribe button. It's the YouTube memberships thing, and one of the perks for one of the levels is that you get behind access on all projects that I'm working on, and you'll be able to see all the designs for this upcoming deck. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys really, really soon, probably next month, 2 months. It'll be hitting Kickstarter, so I'll probably have the prototypes in my hand within the next couple of weeks. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for coming and watching. This is CPM, signing off.